What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. Your boy JP, the install guy, coming to y'all with another how-to. Today we got a 2007 Cadillac CTS, and I'm gonna show you how to take this radio out and install your own. If this is your first time tuning into the channel, please consider subscribing. These are the things that we do here: car audio tutorials, radio removals, Q&As, all that good stuff. Anything car audio install related, that's what this channel is about. So make sure you hit like, comment, share, all that good stuff. Without further ado, let's get started. We want to take our panel removal tool and come down here in this corner, and we want to start popping off that wood grain. We do want to be careful because this is an 07. It's been sitting out in the sun, and we do not want to crack anything. So when we get up here to the top, it's going to be extremely delicate for any clips. May not agree. All right, so that's that wood grain piece that we're just gonna sit right there. So next, it looks like we just have 4 10 mils, 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom, and it looks like this piece is sitting on top of that piece, so we don't have to take out the AC controls or the ashtray. So let's go ahead. Have that out. Then we get to all that stuff's already been disconnected. Huh. Well, there it is. 4 10 mils later, we have that radio out. Now let's get over here to this bench so we can get our new radio prepped inside the dash kit. All right, y'all, so this is the dash kit that we're using. It's actually a Scotch kit. I will have all these links in the description. Comes with 3 pieces, very simple. That's our Sony radio, and basically you just want to take this piece. You see that there has some little notches right here, and they're going to go inside these holes. So you basically want to take the left, put it on the left, line those notches up. All right, and that just kind of sits in place. Then you want to take the right one, put it on that side, same thing. Next, take your radio, slide that in. Now that it's in, you see that it lines up right here. You want to take the screws that came with the radio and put 2 on the right side and 2 on the left. So in this version, the pocket is on the top. You see we got the screws on both sides, right and left. Got that thing looking flush. Now let's get this thing wired up and get back inside the car. All right, y'all, so we are back inside the car. We got this thing wired up. If this is your first time tuning into the channel, you're probably thinking, bruh, why didn't you go over the wiring? What about the wiring? That's one of the main reasons I came for this video. Well, I don't go over the wiring in these videos anymore because I have over 200 videos about how to take the radio out and put it in, and I literally work on cars every day. But what I have done, because I ain't forget about y'all, I've made one video about how to wire up a CD player. That link is in the description. That card is up there in the corner, and I go over the wire connections, what each individual wire colors mean. And I know you're thinking that every car is different, and that's true, but as long as you know what these aftermarket wire colors are and you buy the harness that you're supposed to have so you don't cut your factory harness, then you will be able to wire up any radio. And if you do have a wire harness that's cut, I do have videos that show you how to find out your speaker wire colors, your power wire colors, and all that type of stuff. Now, if you want to be a furthermore supporter of the channel, we do have Patreons and our YouTube community to where you guys have gone the extra mile in supporting the channel so I can keep pumping out this good content for you guys. So I go the extra mile and showing you the behind the scenes footage, like if we're doing steering wheel controls, which wires to tap into. If I'm doing a backup camera, which wires to tap into. I will give you the wire colors to the vehicles that you're working on yourself and give you one-on-one troubleshooting, and plus you guys can win some free stuff. So we actually help each other by you guys further supporting the channel. So with all that said, let's go ahead and get this thing pushed back into the cavity. We'll see what it looks like when it's all said and done. All right, y'all, that's what it looks like when it's all said and done, man. If you guys found any type of value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. Product links are in the description. Patreon links and that join tab is down there in the description as well. We got the steering wheel controls working, all that good stuff. So till next time, this your boy JP signing out. Peace, man. Y'all be blessed.